Today we're going to learn this, where we have a metal effect. So be ready. Let's start from here. We're going to the back gallery and then adding this new canvas, free size canvas, and now we are going to add, we can add something like a circle too, or we want some dress. So let's start with a circle. So here we have pencil. What we have over here, so we have pen, painting, so calligraphy, and then we are choosing monoline, and then that's it. We're gonna start with making a circle. And now second circle, doesn't matter it's a perfect circle or it's not perfect circle. So we're gonna drag this down. We have a complete black circle over here, and now we're going to choose the second option from here. Oops. Okay, now we can go to Gaussian blur and then blur it a little bit. Okay, and now going to noise and then drag it like this way till this effect. Okay, now after this effect we're going to do this third option and then scale it up. Little bit. Scale till this effect. Alright, we can also have this way, but we are affecting this much. Okay, and now going again to the noise. We are also done with this, but we want more. Then we are doing it again, scaling it up. Alright, so basically our buckle is almost ready. So making it real, a 3D look, we're going to liquefy from the second option to the second last option, and then we just need to liquefy this thing. And also we can add layer and go to the painting, selecting black, making a black circle and then blurring it a bit. And then making a clipping mask. One more time over here on the lower portion. We need shading to make it 3D. It's already on the clipping mask, so we are just covering the inner area. We're not going outside. And blurring a little bit. Selecting a razor and then erasing a center area. If you're not satisfied with the results yet, then we can go again to the noise and then do it again, everything. And now go to the noise again, scale it up. Alright, we have done something wrong. We can go to the reverse over here, then we go into noise, this thing, scale it up. But I think so it's fine with that much. No need to do this. Or if we are doing it early, I think I was just spoiling it. So we are done with this buckle. A complete buckle with a shine on it. We can change it color according to our requirement. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.